Are we settling for just okay when our students deserve to thrive? Learn to read and read to learn with Heroes Made. Heroes Made is an all-in-one social-emotional learning and literacy platform. Students can practice reading, comprehension, speaking, listening, and collaborative discussions while navigating real-world social-emotional scenarios. Heroes Made requires zero prep from teachers. Easily guide students to develop self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision-making skills. Our platform is crafted for students to grow emotionally and socially. While there are several solutions available, none compare to Heroes Made. We've developed our platform with a deep understanding of your needs as educators. Simply put, it's about maximum impact with minimal input. Elevate education effortlessly.